What's good with the YouTube? It's your boy Reg RT, and a place to be back again with another video, dog. Now, before we start this video, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. I know we got a few new subscribers. I appreciate y'all. We got some new viewers who not yet subscribed. I still appreciate y'all. If y'all like my content, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that bell so y'all can stay notified whenever I post a video, because you know we lit over here. All right, so check this out. So today, right now, we headed to this little car meet, man. We're gonna ride out with some of the guys. You know, we got all types of cars: Dodge Chargers, Mustangs, Camaros. You don't know what we're gonna see. I don't even know what we're gonna see when we pull up. We getting ready. I'm getting ready to head up there now, so we can line up and we're gonna ride out. And I'm gonna get some nice little footage for y'all. Let y'all see a couple little different cars, maybe, you know, so you can see something other than some Chargers. And yeah, we finna ride out, man. We lit. Let's go. So we out here, man. We got the gang out here. Try to see what I'm looking like. Ain't no fresh washing on no jet, though. Easy. Enough of that, y'all want to see other people's car. Y'all ain't seen my car enough. Got that maggot thing out here. Let's see. Man, it's sitting right on the middle.
What don't want nobody to know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What year you got right here?
16.
16?
Curved up, beat up, 16.
These the Hellcat replicas?
See, this is what I found out.
What size you got?
I got a little gas
20.
tank.
20, okay.
The day I bought them, they put them on there, and not even 2 hours after that, I hit that back wheel and Chick-fil-A.
My boy said,
I know how that. Oh yeah, you got that. Yeah, that curb rash. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, what?
I thought these was the Vipers when I first saw them. You know, they got some Viper replicas. They look like similar.
Yeah.
but I'm charging.
A little bit less curve, but they look. They're the ones I'm trying to get though.
You gotta charge for the whole thing.
But
They got them at PWT.
Yeah. I know everybody and their mama go up there. Got the little decal on top. Yes, sir. Got that Hemi thing.
Hello? What's going on? Where you at? Yeah, we are.
Right there, Mustang GT. Color.
Yeah, turn. Here you go.
Yes, sir. Color on the 2 right. Snap, crackle, pop. There's another thing.
I don't think you saw it.
Got that 300. Y'all almost had me one of these, but I swear. Got that little Rapid 265 chrome. Got the chrome. I like that. I like that chrome side. I like how you got that chrome side mirror. They hit real hard on it.
Oh yeah.
I like that. Something that what I want right there. That's something. That what I want. I'm gonna put me one of them, baby. How do you tire ride?
Them motherfuckers ride good. I had some small ones on there.
Yeah,
They tire ride good though.
how long you stuck with the stock one before you upgrade?
Well,
One long. Yeah, that's what I need to do, bro. I'm trying to do the same thing.
I just took them off and put them back on there.
What D right here?
Yep. I just took them stock wheels back off here.
What they came with 245?
Yeah.
I think that's what they become. That's what mine came with. That's what mine came with. I'm for sure give me a sunroof put in though. I love them sunroofs. I really want that. I really want a panoramic roof. That's what I really want. Yeah, I swear though, when I was at the dealership, I almost had me one of these mugs though, because they were acting like they couldn't find no charger. So that me, y'all. That me over there, yeah, white. The white twins, you know. That's the first thing I need to go upgrade the tire. I swear, I'm spinning everywhere.
Yeah.
I'm all clean over.
How about
Appreciate it. We out here looking good.
They still got that poker time.
It's like $10 to.
Ain't nobody answering the phone. I got the tickets thing right here, but I want to do it. You want to wear them? I will wear them. They don't have no regular.
Oh yeah. It's real deep, like it's real deep. You say you got flow masters on?
Flow Masters, Super 10s, and the buffer complete.
So the super 10s are the
Those are the loudest ones you can get. And the shortest ones too.
so okay. Well, I'm still trying to learn about the exhaust. So since you got the muffler deleted, where the super 10s are here? Right? They're like,
So you know where the resonators are? I took the resonators off and put the Super 10.
okay. That was you. I figured it. I figured you did that. Okay. And you like that sound better now?
Yeah, it's loud. It's loud. You want me to pull around what you hear?
I'm gonna hear you folks leave, trust me. I'm gonna definitely do that. What you got going on with yours?
All the bolt tones you can get for a 4.6.
You gonna pop that hood for me?
It's dirty, but yeah.
I see a lot of people with them too. I like them clips too. Got to pop a little magic trick on that thing.
Oh yeah, because it gets sticky.
Ooh. It's a big end, bro.
It's a 4.6. Shit, yours bigger than mine.
Yeah, but you got a lot more going on with yours than mine though. What kind of air intake that is? It's just
that's a stator right there.
okay.
Pretty much everything up under here, you just stator.
What they hit you for?
About 150 for this one.
150. That ain't too
Yeah,
bad.
because the other one in the trunk like 2. I got a big one, a 4-inch.
That ain't
That bitch
bad.
require a tune.
Yeah.
So that's
You-
why it ain't on.
So you ain't got a tune on me.
Oh yeah, it's tuned. It's
Okay.
just I'm gonna need another tune for that one because it had me running lean. I be misfiring this shit.
Who did your tune for you? Like, is it local?
I was California.
Ooh, everybody be out of state when they do that. So you ain't got it yourself. You just went up there and let them do. So you ain't got no tuner.
Nah, I ain't got no tuner.
Yeah, okay. I see. I got it now. This boy got this thing cam. Let me see what this startup here for. Well, I thought them were black, boy. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, mine the same way. They getting there though. They getting there. Mud sound good too. They ain't hit you too hard over the head if they did about 500-600. The cam.
Cam they sell shit about $700.
How much?
Almost $700 for the cam they sell.
Yeah, you good. You paying about around the right price. You ain't getting overcharged like talking about like that. A lot of people just be paying for something they ain't even, you know what I'm saying? It ain't even what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, I was a diesel mechanic myself, so I kind of
you know what to do.
You know,
Yeah, you know what to do. You good.
So that's why I wasn't really getting fucked.
Yeah.
Still don't get fucked to this day.
And we got that old body style RT. He didn't switched out the front bumper, man, to the SRT bumper style. He still got that. Still repping for the RT. Still got that RT in the grill. What that boy riding on? I think he riding on tools. I want to say them some tools. Clean though. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's actually like the body style I used to love. I used to love this body style. Both of them look good. I really can't choose between the new models and the old one. Both of them look good.
I like that.
Yes, sir.
I like that. Aiming for every pothole I can find. Ooh.
It's that Rubicon, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I changed the gears, man. I changed the drive.
You changed the front end.
I changed the front end.
You made it look mean.
Yes, So look at that movie coming. Boy, this mode, man.
She is sexy now. She's sexy.
Boy, that mode.
Right there. Right there in front of the door.
Yoxi. 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 Yoxi.
We just out here chilling, man. Out here chilling at the gas station, posted up.
Don't worry about it. You on there.
Just out here chilling, man. Got the whole crew out here. Got the Mustangs out. Got the Meros out. The RTs. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video, man. Y'all like this video, y'all make sure y'all comment, subscribe, share, man. Y'all browse the channel so y'all can see more content like this. And I'll be back with y'all on the next one, man. Reg RT, we out.